following is a steampunk fantasy audio drama presented to you by Forgotten Tree Studios. Scattered Fragments, Season 1, Episode 2, Bird Calls.
Why can't we light a fire?
I know, Alicia. I'd like to, but we're just too close to Cathissus. A scouting party or outer troop could spot us.
We're better off sneaking out now. Once it's closer to morning, we'll stop.
It's just like a scavenger hunt. But in the dark, so a dark scavenger hunt. You know, I'm not fond of the dark.
The forest makes the night a lot worse than it truly is, but we have better chances for cover. Bear with it a little longer.
I mean, nighttime in general is kind of scary, don't you think? Navi used to tell me that there were monsters that hid in the dark.
Come on, you were 5.
I lived my youth terrified of big, scary creatures with fangs and claws.
I resent that.
Oh, hush you.
I'm not afraid of monsters, but things like wolves and bears lurk out here, and while they normally give you warning to back off, there's the odd occasion where they might not.
We'll just have to make sure we don't run into those.
I mean, you'll just scare them off anyways. Hey!
Hold on. 20 paces ahead. There's a group of soldiers. 2 awake, 3 asleep.
Scouts?
Starlight. I'm tracking, not fortune-telling. You want me to smell their ranks?
Okay, it was an honest question, mister. I can smell soldiers.
Can we avoid them? Yeah, do we actually have to go that way?
Well, the problem is that this could be a perimeter to catch any unsavory people from leaving the capital.
What do we do?
A diversion!
Lequwyn, shut your butt, dumb Lequwyn.
A diversion. Navi, take them through and I distract the soldiers?
Naturally.
Kiva, Alicia. It's dark, so stick to Navi. If either of you gets separated from her, hoot like a horned owl, and I'll circle back to find you.
Right!
Give me 2 minutes. Once you hear them talking to me, you should be able to skirt close to their camp.
Be careful, and don't be suspicious. I'd like to avoid any accidents if we can.
Are you calling me accident-prone, love?
Get going.
Yes. Hello, fellow humans.
Oh, Sheena.
Don't be suspicious, she said. Of course, he said.
Let's just go before they catch on.
Ugh, I can't see anything. It's so dark. It'd be nice if we could navigate better when it's nighttime.
Keep your focus on that pinprick of light. That's the soldiers' campfire. We just need to make it past that, and then we'll be okay.
This isn't a walk in the park, you know.
Kiva, come on. You're a strong, independent woman. You wouldn't want Lequwyn to know that you couldn't even hike in the dark.
Wait, Navi, is this a good idea? I bet I can hike even better than him in the dark. Obviously, I'm not struggling.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, goodness. Kiva, you don't have to be better than Lequwyn. No. You don't understand. It's a matter of pride at this point. We're traveling like 10 feet in front of us. Then that's 10 feet in front of us that
Quiet.
Scatter!
No, wait.
Scatter? Kiva. Where did she go? She just took off.
Oh, no.
Why didn't she call back?
And this is what I was worried about.
Can't she make bird calls? I thought everyone knew how to make bird calls.
It's a learned skill.
Everyone learns it.
She'll make herself known when she panics enough.
What do you mean?
Oh, you'll see.
I'm sorry, what?
Or actually, you'll hear.
Hello, fellow humans.
Wait just 1 second. Who are you?
Oh, just a bounty hunter doing my bounty hunting things.
At this hour of the night.
It's easier to trail things at night. Tracks are often undisturbed at this hour. Mind if I take a seat, gentlemen?
Now wait a second.
I'm gonna take a leak. He seems harmless enough.
What part of bounty hunter says harmless, I wonder?
Oh, just stay quiet there and enjoy the fight. I don't even know why we're humoring you.
Because we're all just normal and tired humans here making it through another night?
I think I'm gonna stab myself.
Care for a sip?
I think that's the best thing you've said all night.
I've said a good deal of...
What the hell was that?
Well, damn then!
Quick, everyone up, there's something to me.